Welcome. In front of me is a Philips S318, and today I'll show you how to transfer photos or videos from internal storage to the SD card and vice versa. So to get started, you want to open up File Manager app right here, and then choose wherever you have your photos, videos, or any kind of file that you want to transfer located at. Now, if you didn't have a SD card inserted before, it will most certainly be located only on the internal storage. So I'm gonna go there, which anyway, my photos are right here anyway. Oops, there we go. And from here, if you want to transfer photos or videos that you have taken with the device, they will be located under DCIM folder right here. But as you can see for me, there are two folders, but they're empty. And any kind of downloads that you have taken from browser will be right here, or screenshots taken with the device will be located under pictures. So basically I have all of them right here, what I want to transfer. And as you can see, it's a fairly lengthy list of photos. So from here, to transfer them, you can either hold it to select it, like so. You can see that it's blue, and you can tap on other ones to add them to the selection. Now, if you have a lot of them, kind of, for instance, like I do, I wouldn't really want to select all of them. So what I can do is actually go back where the folder is and just select the folder itself, and that includes all the photos in it. So that's basically when you have a lot of photo files to transfer. Now I'm actually gonna transfer one photo like this. As an example, let me open it so you can get a look at it. So it's gonna be a calculator. So let me just highlight it again. And once you have it selected, either one, multiple files, or entire folder, you can then press right here, and you have like basically two pages. That is copy, or where you have the scissors, that's cut. So this will allow you to move the photo from here to another location, while this one will create an additional copy while keeping the original where it is right now. So I'm just gonna actually move it out of here. So just tap on right here, as long as I actually can. There we go. It says cut. And now I can go back to, let's see, let's go back. And we're gonna move it to the SD card, so right here. And you can create a folder. So, so you can actually, there it is. So you can create a folder. Let's make it, call it pictures. Okay, cool. And now you can go in here and then press the clipboard right here, and it will paste it. And I can actually tap on it, and you will see that it's the same photo of a calculator. And because I cut it, if I go back to where the photo originated from, which was right here, and was the first photo, if I tap on it, we should see a different photo now. Or did I copy it? Maybe there were a couple. But basically it would remove it from here as long as you cut it. Now I might have selected copy, or there might have been two. I didn't actually check it, so might be my bad. But as you can see, they're basically now in two different locations anyway. So right here is the second one. And that is how you would move it or copy it, any kind of file. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.